Unity Unleashed, the bundle of sticks animated tale. Ever wondered how unity can make you stronger? Watch this timeless story unfold before your eyes, revealing the incredible power of togetherness through a simple yet profound lesson from the past. The Bundle of Sticks. This ancient tale carries a message that still resonates deeply today. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, lived a wise old father with his quarrelsome sons. Their constant bickering troubled the father, who desired peace and harmony in his family. The father was worried about his sons always fighting and decided to teach them a vital lesson. He knew that only a practical demonstration could make them understand the importance of unity. He called them together and asked each son to bring a stick. Curious and somewhat confused, the sons complied, each returning with a single stick in hand, unaware of the lesson ahead. He then instructed each son to break their single stick. They did so easily, snapping the fragile wood with little effort. It seemed almost too simple for them. Next, the father tied all the sticks into a bundle and asked them to break it. The bundle, tightly bound, presented a far greater challenge. One by one, the sons tried but couldn't break the bundle. Frustration grew as their combined strength still failed to snap the collection of sticks. The father explained, "You see, individually you are weak, but together you are unbreakable." His wise words resonated deeply with his sons. The sons realized their folly and felt the profound truth in their father's words. They saw the importance of unity and the strength it provided. From that day on, the sons worked together harmoniously, understanding their strength in unity. They supported each other in every endeavor, realizing that collaboration brought success and happiness to their lives. The visual metaphor of sticks breaking individually and then failing to break as a bundle was powerful. It symbolized how unity can create an unbreakable force, resonating deeply with anyone who watched. Unity is strength. Division leads to weakness. This simple yet profound message echoed in the minds of the villagers, reminding them of the importance of staying united in all aspects of life. Even today, this lesson holds true in families, teams, and communities. Whether in personal relationships or professional settings, the power of unity remains a fundamental principle for achieving collective goals. The story of the bundle of sticks reminds us all of the power of unity. The sons, deeply moved by their father's wisdom, expressed their heartfelt gratitude. They hugged him, promising to remember and practice the lesson of unity all their lives. In unity, we find strength. In division, we find weakness. This timeless truth resonates with us all, reminding us to stay united in our endeavors, no matter the challenges ahead. Don't forget to subscribe Rajusworld.